Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix your Netflix account can be used in this location. So without wasting any time, let's jump right on it. So you are facing an issue that says your Netflix account can't be used in this location. So why does this happen, right? What you need to understand is that it might be an issue with your account. Don't worry, just simply watch this video till the end and follow the steps and you should be able to use your Netflix account freely once again. So if you have moved or have traveled or recently traveled to a different country where you had originally purchased your Netflix account, might be a reason causing this issue, or the reason can't be that your membership is included as part of the package, or it might be due to the account wasn't bought directly from the Netflix or authorized source. So what this means is basically if you had created your account through third party, then you need to sign up for a new account through the authorized or verified Netflix server. So this could be the primary reason why you might be facing such issue. However, if you have signed up the account from the same country that you are living in, you can just try contacting Netflix customer care in order to solve this problem. So here I'll show you how you can do it and talk to them directly and see what the reason actually is for causing the issue. Just go ahead and open up your browser and here type in help.netflix.com, and once you type in, just search it and you should be transferred to this page. Now what you want to do is just scroll down until you see the option contact us. Now on tapping that, you can either call them or you can either chat. As per your preference, I'll just tap on chat. Just tap on contact with us. Then here tap on your describe your issue. And here you'll get two options presented to you. Now either you can call them or you can chat with them. So basically, I'll just tap on chat with us. And here you should be redirected to this page. Now what you can do is just tap on chat with agent. Now on tapping that, shortly a real agent of the Netflix will be there to chat with you. Just simply let them know what the issue you are facing and your problem should be solved. That's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. A sub to the channel will be most appreciated. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.